Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to Luna Classic update one more time. So Luna Classic is on the verge of making a break, and it's very close. Okay, we have time until 10th of May, so 7 days. 7 days are left to see what happens with Luna Classic. I'm pretty sure that up till this point, many people may have already turned bearish and forgot about Luna Classic, and I like when coins do that. I like when coins uh, get boring. I mean, when it's hyped up. I mean, when we had this rally to the upside and everything was pumping and the hype was real. You know, at that time, people were interested in stuff like that. That's when I don't like to be in a coin. I don't like when excitement is really high. But when it's down, when it consolidates, when it looks like as if something is dead, I really like to take those trades. I mean, everyone has their own style. This is my style, I guess. You know, by time you're going to know what kind of a style you like. Now, there are some people who like the hype and they know how to trade the hype because they know how to take advantage of something that is moving to the upside. They know very well, like, this is how we should be trading, right? But to me, I think that when you have, I like to go for the very safe kind of a trade, okay? Which means oversold levels on the RSI, I'm a big fan of those. Bullish divergence, as you can see right now on the 4-hour time frame, the price is climbing up, and you have a regular bullish divergence because the price are sideways over here and the RSI is climbing up. So that is a good sign. And especially on the daily time frame when you have an oversold level and also a bullish divergence even on the daily time frame, as you can see, that to me is a recipe for buying a coin no matter what, because at some point I know that this boredom is going to be proven wrong. And one more thing that I noticed is that yesterday closing was so good that we made a nice good morning star. So you have red candle, doji, and a green and a morning star, these three combined. So that means we have a chance to go back to the upside. It's only a matter of time because we are still not breaking above this resistance. That's the only line we need to break above from, and everything goes probably back up to where you start from. And that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Office.